The biggest thing in getting into regenerative agriculture, farming, cover crops, whatever you want to call it, is having the cover crops, overseeding, seeding at the right times, and getting the seed in the ground in the fall to be able to sustain itself through the winter. I did a ton of research in general talking to people and found that one of the best no-till drill options that there were out there was the Kasco Eco Drill, fully contained unit that allows for native seeds, which are very fluffy, and then all the way up to the big quarter-inch size legume seeds and things like that. All of them will fit in there. There's a bunch of different feeder options that there are in there that already come on the piece of equipment. It also comes with the cultipacker on it, so it automatically just kind of pressurizes it down into the germination zone and covers it up. The thing I like about it the most is the fact that it's a no-till drill, so it cuts it at the depth that you're requiring it to be cut, drops the seed in, and then covers it up. You can put a harrow rake on it on the back. You can do pretty much whatever. You can take the cultipacker wheel off. It's a fully self-contained unit. You can add actual extra boxes to it too to do different types of seeds, or do have one box for it just to do one native seed and then everything else on the forward box. It's got a bunch of different transmission settings on it so that you can have different speeds and what have you. But the bang for the buck is basically the Kasco Eco Drill, in my opinion. The other thing too was looking at where a lot of the components and things like that are built from. They manufacture right there in Indiana. So if anybody's looking for something that's truly built right here in America, Kasco's a great product. We're gonna go out in the field and use it later today. We got rain coming, so it'll be a good time to get it out there. But that's why I chose Kasco. Paula and Danette over at Kasco Manufacturing in Indiana, man, they totally set us up. I have a huge amount of respect for them, getting us out a drill that quickly, and man, we can't wait to get started on the fields with it because it's working really, really well. And we're gonna go out and see exactly how it works here on the farm. So I'm really happy to show you guys that. But Paula and Donette, thank you very much. Shout out Kasco USA Manufacturing and Herd. Thank you very much. Appreciate you guys. Great piece of equipment.